Is your network rollout project suffering from multiple non-optimal project management tools that lack tailored capabilities for the mobile operator or ISP arena? Do these software tools lack the ability to interact with your ERP systems or provide mobile user interface? Ceragon's InSide software tool enables you to manage your complete rollout project lifecycle, from planning to acceptance, over a one-stop-shop solution. An agile, field-proven network rollout tool developed in-house. InSide leverages Ceragon's best-of-breed expertise and 20 years of dedicated experience in wireless transport. InSide addresses both your business and technology concerns. Customers striving to launch complex network solutions can use InSide's various modules to achieve first-time right rollout, thereby optimizing service delivery efficiency, protecting network rollout margins, and improving end customer satisfaction. A global cloud-based software-as-a-service offering, InSide can be accessed over a standard web browser by each of your subsidiary companies from its secure Azure environment. InSide can be tailored to seamlessly integrate with your relevant network components, provide custom-made reporting capabilities, and more. The InSide SaaS tool enables the following advanced capabilities: planning and executing rollout projects while analyzing current and post-project data, managing projects while always keeping track of budget utilization and availability, selecting best partners and subcontractors based on QA results and stakeholder ratings, managing and improving frame agreements with subcontractors, keeping track of all installed base materials with the InSide warehouse module, tailoring BI reporting capabilities, and exporting custom PDF reports at a single touch, serving as an e-learning platform for training purposes, performing tasks on-site with InSide mobile electronic forms, delivering an array of value-added benefits. The InSide Network Rollout tool empowers you to improve the quality and reduce the duration of field activities through mobile capabilities, manage project milestones, tasks, and resources efficiently and effectively, improve materials handling, and reduce delivery setbacks, streamline handshaking between projects and logistics, standardize processes, and reduce communications overhead, monitor, plan, and reduce project cost with early detection of cost issues and margins risks, improve cost management by leveraging best practice processes and success cases. InSide, your network, your projects, your rollout, simplified.